This is a demonstration on how to link to content files that are already in D2L in the Manage Files area, and now you want to give students access to them. I'm going to go to the content area and show you a couple of options that you have. The first one would be to put a direct link to the document, such as these. So in this case, you would go to the Getting Started module, and instead of creating a new file or uploading, you would select this one, New Course File. You'll give it a title. That's probably a bad name, but you get the idea. Give it a name, and then you're going to browse for your course file. See, it's a course file because it's already in D2L. So I'll click Browse. And now this is going to pull up all the files that I have in Manage Files. So I can go through this whole list and I can figure out which one it is. Click Select File, so that path name is entered in there, and then I can save and close. So what that did is it added a new topic underneath this Getting Started module, and it's linking directly to that file. The other option that you would have would be, again, to go under the module that you want it to show up in, create a new file, give it a title again, this time I'm creating a file. This is where you get the editor, and it's kind of like you're creating something on the fly. Instead of creating it in Word and then saving it and uploading it, you're just creating the file right in D2L. So in this case, you can put in all of your instructions, and then you can give them the direction to please read the following and then respond. Oops, let me see if I can spell this right. And then here you could link to the file. So this time, instead of the link is here right in the editor. So I'm going to put in Insert Quick Link. What kind of resource is it? Well, in this case, it's a course file again. It's already in D2L, so I can choose Course File, click on Add a File, and here we are in that same place where you're looking at all the files that are in your Manage Files area. So I would scroll through here and I would figure out which one of these it is. So let's try this one. Select the file, Insert. Oh, you can see it tells me when I miss something. I have to put in a link caption. Where is that? Right here. So this, you would put in the title of the file. You wouldn't actually put in those words, but you would probably call it, I should just do this more like it should be, Digital Arts Proposal, to match which file I'm linking to. Insert. So then that link is right directly in with this text. So let me save this and show you what it looks like. Save and close. So here's my two things that I just did. This one will take me right to the file. It'll open it in Word. This one, when they open it, it will open in D2L with the instructions like this, and then it'll have a link to the file, and then they click on the link. So there's different ways to do that depending on how you want it to show up. You might want to do a document like this, because then you could put several links in here and the instructions in between, rather than just putting in a bunch of different content topics. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any other questions.